Z Black Case Study. Z Black and Logic ERP building world's largest Agarbatti distribution network with FMCG software. Z Black, the flagship brand of Mysore Deep Perfumery House, is one of the world's largest Agarbatti and Dhoop brands. Producing over 1,200 products and 800 SKUs and exporting to 40+ countries in the US, Europe and the Middle East. With the world's largest raw Agarbatti factory spread across 15 acres. Z Black is proudly endorsed by worldwide famous cricketer MS Dhoni and famous Bollywood star Hrithik Roshan. Product range: Agarbatti, Dhoop, Puja Essentials, Puja Oil, Tika, Chandan, Camphor, Home and Hygiene, gift packs. As the brand scaled globally, it faced challenges in sales order processing, dispatch management, production control, inventory accuracy, procurement, and depot-level stock planning. Challenges faced by Z Black before Logic ERP implementation: inventory mismatches, no barcode system, procurement issues, inaccurate stock ordering by depots, inefficient sales order management, uncoordinated dispatch process across units, billing for manufactured and trading items, manual production and stock management, lack of ASN, Advanced Shipment Notice, facility. To address these challenges, Z Black partnered with Logic ERP to get FMCG software solution for their distribution business. Z Black and Logic ERP transforming FMCG distribution. Logic ERP #1 ERP company in India brings up a centralized solution to offer them the best ERP software for their FMCG distribution business. Solution offered to Z Black by Logic ERP: inventory management control, systematic production management, barcode-enabled inventory control, automated sales order to purchase order flow, ASN Advanced Shipment Notice integration, open-to-buy module for demand-based planning, centralized dispatch inventory management with stock visibility, unified billing for manufactured and trading items. Benefits of Logic ERP software implementation at Z Black: workflow automation, compliance and audit readiness, scalability and standardization, end-to-end process integration, simplified billing and accounting, operational efficiency and time saving, streamlined production and inventory management, inventory accuracy with barcode system, enhanced procurement control with ASN facility, demand-driven manufacturing and inventory planning, fast decision-making with real-time reporting, improved order fulfillment and dispatch planning. Client testimonial. Hear it from our client Mr. Anshul Agrawal and Mr. Ankit Agrawal. Milestone achieved. Logic ERP empowering Z Black's next growth phase. Why choose Logic ERP software for your FMCG retail, manufacturing and distribution business? 30+ years of ERP excellence. 200+ experienced ERP experts. Easy personalization and deployment. Personalized training and support. Fast and easy implementation. Digital-ready ERP with third-party plugins and API. Let's start your FMCG business growth story with Logic ERP. Book a free ERP live demo. Call us at +9 17341141176. Send your inquiries to sales@logicERP.com. Get Logic ERP software today.